This is essentially my everyday look, so I would pair a really gorgeous neutral knit with a staple pair of jeans. For it to feel really put together but without looking overdone, I would look at pairing that with a sleek ponytail, and I would probably use the Colour Wow Pop and Lock to help just give that really clean finish. I love creating a really intentional look. So I love the Colour Wow product that we have here today, which is Pop and Lock. So I'd usually use a bristle brush to get the hair kind of slicked back and then use this as the product that finishes that look. So it just creates a really sleek finish to the bun or the pony. So this is just something that I would wear on a weekend, just when I'm running errands, really lovely, paired with just a basic tee underneath. And then these are the gorgeous knit trousers that would go with that look. I would be looking to really elevate this look with just a gorgeous skin. So I'd be looking at using the Laneige Water Bank to give that glowy texture to the skin. I absolutely love the Laneige Water Bank. I like to feel put together, it's just in my DNA. So I think that I actually really love like an off-duty look that feels put together, but equally I love it when, you know, your skin feels super fresh. I feel far more confident when my skin is glowing, and, you know, just look to use products to really emphasize that. So look number 3 is just a really simple, kind of easy look. It is a pair of wide leg grey jeans, a basic Skims tee, which I feel like everyone probably has in their wardrobe, and then a blazer, which just adds a little bit more of a structured look to the outfit. So despite that being like quite a casual look, I think the blazer really adds that kind of more structured finish. And I would look to pair that just to give more elevation to the look with a bold lip. So I have got the MAC Go Retro lip. This is a really great product for kind of a more intentional lip, I would say. It's a gorgeous colour. And it works really well with an outfit that feels slightly more casual, but you know, you want to create that pop. I think that that's one of the real benefits of this product. It is a matte lip, but it feels really satin on your skin, so it doesn't feel drying. It's really hydrating. It's a really gorgeous product if you want to create that kind of look. We actually launched MAC as one of our first real iconic brand partnership, and it's a product that, you know, we're super passionate about internally. I think it's just a really iconic cosmetics brand. We love to continue to serve the amazing products that they bring to market to our customers. The next look is an outfit I would wear to go out. This is a gorgeous pair of tailored black trousers with the skirt over the top, and I would probably pair that with just a black tee or long sleeve t-shirt, and then the black leather coat. So again, just feels really put together, super chic, really simple, cannot go wrong with a black outfit. And I would look at layering that with my fragrance. So I would usually look at creating a more unique scent by layering a couple of fragrances together before a night out. So I've got the English Pear and Sweet Pea from Jo Malone here, and this is a really gorgeous fragrance that is quite sweet, and then I would essentially look at how I can bring some warmth to that and soften the scent once I've got the base that I'm really happy with, so it feels like quite unique to me. The other scent that I've got here is Peony and Blush Suede, so I would tend to try and use these two together depending on my mood and the kind of feel that I want to create. And then my final outfit is a very simple Pilates outfit, some leggings, a gorgeous knit, and a real neutral palette here. And then I would probably look to pair that with a trench I would be thinking about how I can really bring that kind of gorgeous, fresh look to my skin. So perfect product for that is the NARS Multiplier. It really offers that kind of gorgeous, flushed look to the cheeks and feels super pared back makeup, but you know, still gives a really gorgeous glow. I do carry this product with me every day in my bag. It is a staple. It is the NARS Orgasm Multiple. So it's perfect to create that kind of rosy flush cheek look. Perfect for going to Pilates, just feeling like undone, but with a nice, really fresh makeup look. I would apply it direct from the stick, so I would apply it direct to the top of my cheekbone. I'd usually put a little bit across the top of my nose and then onto the lip. It's actually really satin. It's definitely buildable, so I would apply it and then essentially if I felt like it wasn't giving me the pop that I needed, you can just reapply and continue to build on that colour. Shop new season at Look Fantastic.